Hello and Namaste. I am MMP Raju, founder and managing director of ASIP Technologies, and we are committed towards establishing a world standard OSAT facility out of India. The growing global semiconductor market and the current geopolitical situation calls for establishing an alternate supply chain, and India is very favorably poised towards making that alternate supply chain, not only because of the growing demand worldwide, but also the domestic consumption, which is increasing rapidly within India. With the consistent and constant support of Government of India and the commitment that the Government of India has been showing towards this establishing this ecosystem, I'm sure that this will happen very quickly. And with the range of talent that is in India, I'm sure that we will be able to exhibit global standards in the semiconductor manufacturing industry. Thank you and Jai Hind.